Sketch the reciprocal graph of the following function. So first I'm going to look for x-intercepts of the function I'm given, and my reciprocal graph will then have a vertical asymptote at each of those points. And the same would happen the other way around. If our original graph had a vertical asymptote, we'd know that the reciprocal function had a 0 at those points. We know they're going to intercept wherever y is equal to 1 or negative 1, so that's going to identify that point there and that point there, and I don't think there's any others. This one has a maximum there when y is a half. That means we'll have a minimum at y equals 2 there. We have a minimum at negative a half, which means we'll have a maximum at negative 2. And I think we're now in a position to draw it. It's got to come in through the asymptote like that. It's going to curve over there and go off down there. This is going to come down through there and off in that direction. This is going to come in from the asymptote. It will have its minimum there and then off up the asymptote. And this one must come in here, take a maximum, and go off down there. If you actually plot this, I suspect that it's a bit flatter here and a bit flatter there than I've actually drawn it. But that's not the important thing. The important thing is to get the main features on there. And you can always check with your graph afterwards.